A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start 17th lecture of chapter 13 probability. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed Bernoulli's theories and their questions. Now today I will discuss the remaining questions related to Bernoulli's theory. So let us start with the questions. Now question number 1 is Now question number 1 is, see, 5 dice are thrown simultaneously. Five dice are thrown simultaneously. Five dice are thrown simultaneously. If the occurrence of an even number, if the occurrence of an even number in a single die is considered as a success. Consider as a success find the probability of at most 3 success. Find the probability of at most 3 success. Now see. Now see the solution. Again read the question carefully. 5 dice are thrown simultaneously. See. 5 dice are thrown simultaneously. If the occurrence of an even number in a single die is considered as a success, then find the probability of getting at most 3 success. So first of all we will consider random variables. So we are going to suppose x such that x denotes the number of success in 5 throws of a die. So let x denotes the random, or x be the random variable that denotes the success or success in 5 throws of a die. And we have to find out the probability of getting at most 3 success. So in case of at most 3 success, what will be the random variable? What will be the random variable? Now see. Now we can write, or let R be the probability of, or we can consider The probability of R success in 5 throws. The probability of R success in 5 throws. What we can write? That will be equal to 5 CR. That is 5 CR. This is for success 1 by 2 to the power R, and similarly 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus R. So if 1 by 2 is success, then 1 by 2 will be for unsuccess. So you know, probability of P, in case you know, for success we can write, or here where P is equal to 1 by 2 for success and Q is equal to 1 by 2 also. So 1 minus 1 by 2 we can write. This is 1 by 2. Now what will be here? 1 by 2 or 5 CR, 1 by 2 to the power R into 5 to the power, or 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus R. So this one we can write, when base equal, power will be add. So what will be the result? That is 5 CR 1 by 2 to the power 5. See, 5 CR 1 by 2 to the power 5. Now required probability, which probability we have to calculate? See, required probability of getting at most 3 success. At most 3 success. So what we can write? The random variable will be less than equal to 3, and this one also we can write 1 minus probability of random variable of more than 3. This one we can write. Now see, in the next steps, now you know, required probability we can write at most 3 success, and this one we can write 1 minus probability of getting x is equal to 4 and plus probability of getting x is equal to 5. This is our format. Now 1 minus probability of getting x is equal to 4 means at most 4 success. What we can write? We can write 5C4 1 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 1, result will be 5. Now similarly, this will be 5C4 1 by 2 to the power 5 also. So now this is for 5C5. Now see, after calculation what will be the result? You know, 1 minus 5C4 result is 5 and 1 by 2 to the power 5 means 32. Result will be 5 by 32. Now 5C5 result is 1 and 1 upon 2 to the power 5 means 1 by 32. Now this calculation will be 6 by 32 and 6 by 32 means 32 minus 6 by 32. So this one we can write 1 minus 6 by 32. Now 32 minus 6 by 32 and its result will be 26 by 32. Now this one can cancel from the table of 2 and the result will be 2 13s and 2 16s. Now 13 by 16. 13 by 16 is the answer. 13 by 16 is the answer. This is the required probability. Now see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is find the probability of that in a 10 throws of a pair of a die a score which is a multiple of 3. A score which is a multiple of 3 will be obtained in Atlee state of the throws. Now see, question number 2 is here. Now see, our question is find the probability that in a 10 throws of a pair of die, a score which is a multiple of 3 means you have to find out the probability that in a 10 throws dice are thrown 10 times and which is a multiple of 3 we obtained. Means in this question multiple of C we have to see. And now next read. At least 8 of the throws. Now in this question what we have to consider, suppose we are going to consider, see the solution, let S be the sample space associate with the random experiment of throwing a die we have considered. Now probability of getting success, what we can consider, multiple of 3 numbers will out comes, that will be 3 and 6. So number multiple of 3 that is 3 and 6, that is success, probability of success, what we can write, that is 1 by 2. Now 3 and 6, this is 2 and 2 by 6 result will be, this is 3, 2 by 6 result will be 3. Now see, and then unsuccess means failure, probability of getting failure, that will be 1 minus 1 by 3. So again read the question. Find the probability that in a 10 throws dice are thrown 10 times and we have to find out at least 8 times of throw we have to get multiple of 3 as a success. So number multiple of 3 at most or at least 8 times, this is given, at least 8 times. Now 8 success will be here, now 9 success will be here, now 10 success will be here. Now probability of getting at least 8, therefore probability of getting at least 8, that is what we can write, P of x is equal to 8 consider, plus P of x is equal to 9 consider, and P of x is equal to 10 consider, because dice are thrown 10 times. Now P of x is equal to 8, so probability of getting 8 success, so we can write in 10 throws that is 8 success, so 10C8 and success probability that is 1 by 3 to the power 8 into, for failure result will be 2 by 3, so this will be 2 by 3 to the power 2, 10 minus 8 2. Now in case of 9, so 10C9 1 by 3 to the power 9 into 2 by 3 to the power 1. Now plus, this is 10C10, last step is 10C10 and 1 by 3, 10C10 1 by 3 to the power 10 and 2 by 3 power will be 0. Now this one we have to solve it, this one we have to solve. So what will be the result? Result will be See, 1 upon 3 to the power 10 is here, 1 upon 3 to the power 10 is here, also 1 upon 3 to the power 10 is here. So 1 upon 3 to the power 10 you can take common. Now what will be the result? This is 1 upon 3 to the power 10. Now in bracket, this will be 10C8 into 2 to the power 2. And now plus, this is 10C9 into 2 to the power 1. And now plus 10C10 into 2 to the power 0. This is our calculation. Now in next steps, see, these steps I am writing here. This one we can write 1 upon 3 to the power 10. Now in bracket, 10C8 you know, 9 into 10, 90 by 2 result will be 45, and 45 multiplied by 4 result will be 180. 45 multiplied by 4 result will be 180. Now plus 10C9 result will be 10, and 10 into 2 result will be 20. And now plus 1. This calculation will be 201 whole upon 3 to the power 10. This is the answer. Now 201 whole upon 3 to the power 10. This is the answer. Now see, now in this question, first of all you have to read question carefully. Find the probability that in a 10 throws of a pair of die, a score which is a multiple of 3. Have seen. Multiple of 3 number, you know, when you will throw a single die, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And multiple of 3 number, you will get 3 and 6. So 3 and 6, there are two possible outcomes, that is multiple of 3. And now multiple of 3 result is 3 and 6, that is outcome is 2 and total outcome is 6. So 2 by 6 result will be 1 by 3. 2 by 6 result will be 1 by 3. This is for success. And for failure, this is probability for success, that is 1 by 3. And for failure, there is a probability that is 1 minus 1 by 3. And for failure you can write probability is 2 by 3. So we have to find out in this question 3 will be obtained in at least 8 times or at least 8 of the throws. Means number multiple of 3 at least 8 times that should become. So what we have to consider? In this question, at least 8 times there is a success. So when you will consider 8 times is a success, then 2 times will be failure. So for failure probability, that is 2 by 3, you have considered 2. When you will consider 8 times success, then 2 times failure, because total 10 times or 10 throws, there are 10 throws. When you will consider 9 times success, then 1 times will be failure. And when you will consider 10 times success, then you can consider 0 time failure. So in case, first of all you have to find out probability of success and then failure. Now probability of success and then failure, you will get 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. And now you have to put this value, and by Bernoulli's theory, binomial distribution, binomial theorem, we can express it as 10C8 1 by 3 to the power 8, 2 by 3 to the power 9, and 10c9 1 by 3 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 1, and 10c10 1 by 3 to the power 10 into power 10 into 2 by 3 to the power 0. So after calculation, this will be the result. You can take 3 to the power 10, 1 by 3 to the power 10 is common. So from 3 side or 3 terms, we have taken common 1 upon 3 to the power 10. So result will be 180 plus 220 plus 1. Now calculation will be 210 plus 1. Now this is completed.